What's up, guys? Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you very much. Hey, I have the Tundra here with a quick update after 29,000 miles. If you've seen the first video of my Tundra with the wheel spacer installation, this will be part 2. The truck already have 29,000 miles. I'm gonna show you really quick how the spacer look after 30,000 miles. As you can see, they look intact. No signs of any damage, no cracks at all. Lock nuts is still holding tight. You guys can see it really good. This one actually, they're really good brand spacers. No signs of any cracks at all. Nothing at all. Nothing. A deep zone upgrade to the Tundra. I install headlight LED. If you see the first video, you're gonna see the difference. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you for all those comments. If you have any questions, just write them down below. I will answer you. Thank you.